Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe, quick reviews, back at you with another knife review, and today we're looking at the all-aluminum TF498 EMT knife by Tac Force. It's actually a pretty cool looking knife. That orange on there pops. You got right back here, you've got your glass breaker and your seatbelt cutter. Aluminum handle right here with your stainless steel plating, of course, right there in the middle. Got a large trigger right there on the back. You do have dual thumb studs, which is good. The belt clip, not too beefy, but a good thing about it is that it does sit high up on the knife, so that knife will be sitting deep into your pocket and you're not going to have a lot of knife sticking out there. So guys, let's go ahead. I tell you what, let's try the thumb studs first. Boom. With that spring assisted, it's not just assisted, it throws that blade on up. Now right here, you can use these holes for bending wire or anything like that, but they've kind of clipped this out to make the weight a little bit lighter and for aesthetic purposes, but they can also be used as tools here. You have your black oxidized blade right down here. The is that whole thing the bevel? Yeah, I guess it would be. So black oxidized bevel, half serration, half straight, clip point blade right here. Pretty sharp tip, but just a good utility knife. Got your standard liner lock right here with your 4 thumb grooves for a nice cut. Now with that small thumb ramp, you don't have thumb grooves. It actually gives you a more control feel when you're using the knife. And of course, if you can get your knife open, I wouldn't use this to cut a seatbelt, because that serration, you should be able to cut straight through a seatbelt if you're ever in trouble like that. However, if you had to, I haven't tested it out on the seatbelt, of course, but I'm sure you're not going to have any problem right there with that blade. So, guys, bam, right there. Here's the back of it again. Now, let's look at that trigger. That thing is fast, guys. Single hand deployment, single hand close, you're not going to have any problem at all. So guys, again, this is the TF498. Let me make sure that that's right before I get out of here. Yeah, the TF498 by Tac Force. It's their EMT knife. They've done a few of them. Actually did a Tonto blade one, and then their most popular one, and this one is the all aluminum. So guys, hope this review helped. I will leave the link in the description below if y'all want to go check it out, and I will see y'all in the next one.